What a lovely day in the neighborhood today. Well, I've got a tube that came in last week, and we're going to be doing some valve changing on it. So today's episode is going to be based on changing some valves on a Zodiac tube. We're just waiting for the gel coat on that transom. So once all that stuff comes in, we'll get going on that. But let's show you guys this tube here. So this valve, it's missing its cap. So we're going to install the new cap with the new ring here. I'm going to show you guys how to change this cap and this nut here if you don't have the tool to remove this nut on the boat. And this is the tool and the grease you're going to be needing to change over this nut and cap. Alright, with the boat deflated, I'm going to use my pliers now, and I'm going to get them into that nice little groove, and I'm going to use as much leverage as I can to twist it out. With the ring nut removed, I'm now going to clean up the surfaces around the valve body with some soapy water so we can get a nice good seal around there. And with a little bit of marine grease, I'm just going to go around the valve body there as well, just to make a nice little seal and to help the new ring nut slide on easy.
You would wipe away my tears, so sincere, turn gray skies to blue. You won't ever change your ways, doing what you do.
Now when installing the new ring nut, do it very nice and snug. Don't over tighten it because you can crack the valve body, which will end up becoming a major repair in the end. So as you'll see, I'm just using my pliers here and I'm just going to make it nice and snug until they just slide off. And let's repeat the process now for the other one that's missing its cap as well. Now we're just checking the valves here to make sure it's not leaking after it's inflated. If it's not leaking, she's good to go.